How do I change my region on the Netflix app? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can change your region on Netflix. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's say the show that you are trying to watch or stream on Netflix is actually geo-restricted, which means that it is not available for all of the regions. On many cases why this happens is because the person who actually put it on Netflix has not allowed it for all of the people and audiences globally. So that is why you're facing the issue and not being able to find your favorite shows. But fortunately, I have got a solution for you, because in order to change our region on Netflix, even if you change the settings from within the Netflix application, you will not be able to do so. So what we have to do is we have to change our proxy address or our IP address and connect it to a VPN in order to connect to international servers. And in order to do that, if you're on iOS or Android, it doesn't really matter, because a VPN app is always free, though you might have to deal with a bunch of different ads. Once you open your respective app store and in the search box you just want to type in VPN, you can just go ahead and download any of the VPNs that you see fit. Now personally, I like using the Turbo VPN, Tomato VPN. There are many more out there. Even though you might want to deal with the ads, it really gets your job done for at least about a period of time. So just go ahead and install any of the VPN app that you see fit and then open it up. Now it depends on, let's say you're trying to watch a Hollywood show and it's not available in some of the Asian part of the countries, then you can just go ahead and connect it to that specific region. If you're trying to watch an Asian show and you're somewhere around Europe, and you just need to go ahead and connect to some of the Asian servers. It really depends upon where you are and to what region you're actually trying to connect. So as you can see, I'll just tap on the connect button over here. You might also as well want to choose some of the specific regions. Also keep in mind that some of the regions on which you might want to change your service to might also be on a pro version, so you might also think about and consider about upgrading your VPN subscription. Now once you connect to a specific VPN, you can just go ahead and exit out of it. Now basically you'll also be able to see if you're connected to a VPN right at the top of the screen. So as you can see, in my case, I'm connected to United Kingdom. Now I can go ahead and just simply open up the Netflix application, try to stream the shows and movies that I wasn't able to stream earlier. And that's all it takes to change your region on Netflix. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then feel free to leave a like and comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.